Okay, you guys, hello, good afternoon. Well, today we're going to check some tips for the exam, right? You know that we have been checking some strategies and some exercises for Kai, right? Today we're going to check the do's and don'ts for reading exercises in Kai exam. The do's. You have to skim through the text for general understanding, right? Because we need to understand the context first. Second do, you have to read the instructions very carefully. They set the scene and give you initial orientation. Number three, you have to highlight or underline important words in the questions. This is going to give you an advantage because maybe you don't know these words. Maybe you don't know these words, but if you underline it and you check the context, maybe you can infer the meaning of that, right? The fourth do that you have to do. Decide what type of questions you are answering. And then you have to employ the correct reading skill. Okay? We already checked the different reading skills, especially in the multiple choice part, because that's very important. The don'ts in the reading exam. You don't have to spend much time on any part of the exam because maybe maybe you have the knowledge, but if you don't take care of the time, you are going to fail. So pay attention to that. Don't forget to transfer all your answer to the answer sheet. Remember that, okay? Because it's very important. So these are the do's and don'ts for the exam, okay? So pay attention to these tips, and we are going to continue in the class. Today we're going to check some exercises.